प्रोग्राम तो बट कोशिश करो मज कुन रूपस मज करनस मज तो बाकियन सारन छुस बह गडथी सारन फर्स्ट बेसिक प्रिंसिपल यम तो सारी थयु पनी माइक म्यूट तो यम सात तो क्वेश्चन आस प्रसुन तो तम सात करियो तो पनी माइक अनम्यूट एंड यू कैन आस्क। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल नमस्कार आप सबको, मैं स्वागत करता हूं। सबसे पहले मैं इंट्रोड्यूस कर लेता हूं लक्ष्मी जी, मेरे मित्र सचिन रैना के द्वारा से, मेरा भाई भी है छोटा, तो उनके संपर्क से आप हमारे पास आज आए हैं। तो इसलिए मेरा नाम भारत भूषण दर है, मेरा परिचय। मैं कश्मीरी हिंदू सभा तेलंगाना का एक कार्यकर्ता हूं और कश्मीरी हिंदू सभा एक सोशो कल्चरल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जो हैदराबाद और ये तेलंगाना स्टेट में कश्मीरी पंडितों का संगठन करती है और अपने जो भी कल्चरल एक्टिविटीज होती है उसको प्रमोट करती है। तो दिस इज अबाउट कश्मीरी हिंदू सभा। जैसा आप सब लोग जानते ही हैं कि आज के हमारे इस प्रोग्राम के प्रमुख स्पीकर और वक्ता लक्ष्मी कौल जी है। मैं उनका संक्षेप में परिचय देता हूं। तो वैसे तो आप सब लोग जानते ही हैं बट छोटा। So Lakshmi Kaul ji is a voice, vocal voice, a vibrant voice of Kashmiri Pandits in UK, and she is flag bearer of our Kashmiri Pandit community's cause, representing in UK Parliament, United Nations, and she is actively involved in promoting Kashmiri culture across different forums in United Kingdom as well as in India, and specifically under Sushil Pandit ji's mentorship, she has been successful in connecting our roots to our young kids across the globe. So that is the special reason we have specifically invited her as a guide, as a speaker for this event, and she also believes our kids can find their own way with just a little guidance, and our kids are self-sufficient enough to grow, learn, and motivate themselves. With this short intro, on behalf of Kashmiri Hindu Sabha, I welcome Lakshmi Kaul, who has joined us today. Now I would like to request Lakshmi ji to share her thoughts and experiences with us on how we can connect our future generation with our roots in this challenging period of exile. So over to you, Lakshmi ji. Probably you can start.
Thank you, Mara. Thank you very much. I don't think I'm worthy of that kind of introduction. मैंने काफी सीनियर लोग जो हैं, सीनियर्स हैं, जूनियर्स जो हैं, कई मुझसे कुछ उम्र में छोटे हैं, कुछ उम्र में बड़े लोग हैं, उनसे देखकर सीखकर आई एम ओनली अ वॉलंटियर, दैट शुड हैव बीन इनफ टू मेक एन इंट्रोडक्शन। ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, हम लोग सब अपनी अपनी जगह पर थोड़ी बहुत कोशिश करके वी इन्फ्लुएंस वट एवर लिटिल वी कैन डू. So I don't consider myself anything great. I'm just one of the community members. That's all, nothing else. Mete Kaushal Hechun. I'm not very good at speaking Kashmiri. Unfortunately, I did not grow up speaking the language. तो मुझे थोड़ी सी दिक्कत होती है. But मेचू मलाल की मतलब मैं होचना when I was younger. तो जो लोग बोल पाते हैं, I'm envious of them. Rushil, can you speak Kashmiri?
Yes, a bit.
Yeah. So you will help me today, okay? Is that okay? Yeah. If I get stuck, then you will help me translate my.
Rushil, unmute your mic when you have to speak and when some question is asked.
So I'm actually very happy to see that there are also children in this meeting. So Rushil, I wasn't trying to pick on you. You were the first name that I saw. Then I can see on Sushil Panditaji's screen, I can see two. I think I can see the little girl. I can see Goldie Bhatt screen, I can see a lot of children here actually. So can I actually, before I start talking, ask you all a little bit more about the kind of activities, Mahara? If you can just tell me ki, what is the group? Rushil, come on, you tell me.
क्या?
What are the kind of things that you do? आप लोग क्या क्या काम करते हैं तेलंगाना में? What are the things? What are the activities that you do as part of this group?
Winter mein molen ye Mazdar lokchar start kormut yetmen seri kashir shuran yemen chuna kashir tagan ket timen ch kashir hechnawan ta ay seri lockdown ek bro ay seri ay smelan ta havan karan etc
etc क्या गाओ etc etc क्या गाओ
Explain the extra, Rushil.
हाँ
वानिया के etc go अच्छा etc go ये मैं पता क्या
but thank you बड़ा असल introduction गाओ so हम लोग की यहाँ पे एक छोटी सी community organization है Kashmiri Pandits Cultural Society. So my journey into activism, I think I was born an activist. I was always campaigning. I think I'm forever campaigning on something or the other. कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा लगता है कि कुछ सही नहीं है तो उसके बारे में बात करने की कोशिश की. Unfortunately मुझे अपने exodus के बारे में मालूम नहीं था. And it was really much later that I found out about our exodus. And I was, I think, 27 when I really found out what had happened. I'm born to Kashmiri parents, but nobody in our family, in our relations, nobody ever talked about the exodus. So दो खाना खाते थे, डांट कश्मीरी में पड़ती थी, घर में रहन सहन सब, you know, festivals, everything was all in the typical way. लेकिन that connect, that emotional connect to where our roots were was kind of missing. But obviously there is always a longing. So the first time I actually, I lived in Kashmir 2 years, 88 and 89. My father was transferred there. That's how I lived there for 2 years. उस समय मुझे हैरानी होती थी, मैं क्लास 3 में शायद रही होंगी या 4 में रही होंगी, तो मेरे कोई दोस्त नहीं थे. I had no friends, and you know how bad it is to not have friends. And it was a time just before the exodus, you know, the winter of the exodus. And पढ़ाई में अच्छा नहीं लगता था. कोई जो जो बच्चे होते थे वो मुझे बाहर वाला समझते थे, तो उनसे दोस्ती नहीं हो पाती थी. जो मुसलमान थे उनसे तो वैसे भी दोस्ती नहीं होने वाली थी. एक लड़की थी शाजिया, शी वाज अ शिया, उससे मेरी थोड़ी बहुत दोस्ती थी. बट वो मुझे स्कूल से बाहर, मैं वुडलैंड पब्लिक स्कूल में पढ़ती थी, एंड वो मुझे बोलती थी कि स्कूल से जब हम बाहर चलेंगे तो मेरे साथ में मत चलना, मेरे साथ मत दिखना. तो हैविंग कम फ्रॉम चंडीगढ़, दिस वाज अ वेरी स्ट्रेंज थिंग कि ये क्या हो रहा है, ऐसे कैसे होता है. तो आई डिड नॉट लाइक दोस 2 years I lived in Kashmir at all. I had no friends. I was very unhappy. My grades were very poor. फिर उसके बाद बड़े हो गए किया. So I studied, I have done a bachelor's in journalism and I've studied my master's in human rights. So as a human rights student, JNK में elections हुए थे around I think 2000 या 2000 में शायद, when after a long time the elections took place. So what our chairperson of the Human Rights Institute said कि we'll send a team to be free, to be observers, human rights observers in the valley and throughout Jammu and Kashmir, throughout wherever the elections will take place. आपको security कुछ नहीं मिलेगी, election commission की एक चिट्ठी मिलेगी. And I was actually leading the team for the Jammu region. And I was also supposed to be in charge of Doda, but I was called back earlier. So 2-2.5 महीना जब तक इलेक्शन 2 महीने चले, हम लोगों ने खाली इलेक्शन कमीशन की चिट्ठी और 15,000 रुपए लेके हम यंग बच्चे लोग, you know, we went and traveled around all of J&K. So that was my first real experience of what was happening in the valley as well as outside. So border villages पे जाके रहे, वहाँ पे जो बकरवाल communities है उनके घरों में जाके रहे, चर्च में रहे, स्कूल में रहे, जहाँ हमको रात को सोने को मिल जाता था, वी वर बेसिकली स्लीपिंग रफ वेरेवर वी कुड गो। आर्मी कैंटोनर ने झूठ बोल के चले गए कि हम स्टूडेंट्स हैं। श्रीनगर में कैंट में लोगों को, उनको कमांडेंट को पता चला तो उन्होंने हमें वहां से निकाल दिया, तो वी हैड टू फाइंड समवेयर एल्स टू गो। So that whole 2.5 months, I remember traveling around talking to locals. That was my first real experience. So I'm actually pleased to say that I have traveled around J&K very very extensively, और ऐसी ऐसी जगहों पे शायद गए हैं जहाँ पे बहुत लोग नॉर्मली नहीं जाते हैं। So उसके बाद फिर career हुआ, यहाँ लंदन में आए। Sachin and I actually met here when I was leading another cultural initiative called Society for Promotion of Indian Classical Music and Culture amongst youth. So I've always been interested in learning about our roots, our heritage. And it was at one of the SPICMA meetings that I was invited to talk about what we are doing. And suddenly, when I was talking about identity, I paused and I thought to myself कि मुझे तो अपने बारे में कुछ पता नहीं है, मैं दुनिया को प्रवचन देने के लिए चली हूँ, and I don't know very much about myself. And I think Sachin would probably remember that we used to have Sunday meetings, और उसने मीटिंग में कई हफ्तों तक मैं और my then daughter, she was about कितने साल की थी, 5 साल की थी ना, यानी का 4-5 साल की थी, तो हम लोग हर संडे जाके वहाँ बैठते थे, वेट करते थे, कोई नहीं आता था। तो वी वर ऑर्गेनाइजिंग दिस डिसिप्लिन कि हम लोग मिलेंगे, बैठक करेंगे। देन केम अलोंग सचिन रैना वन डे, then 1 or 2 other people joined in after many weeks. This is 7-8 weeks of going and visiting, and तो हम बैठ के रीडिंग करते थे, कुछ सुन लेते थे म्यूजिक पीस, उसके बारे में पढ़ते थे या कुछ बातचीत कर लेते थे, and we would write down minutes of the meeting, and even if it was me and Nanika alone, sometimes it was just Sachin, me and Nanika, then there were Pratik, some other people would join in. तो करते करते 10-15 लोग हमारे साथ धीरे धीरे जुड़े। Why I'm telling you all of this is because we tend to lose patience in doing the work that we do, and we feel कि हमेशा starting से ही बहुत सारे लोग साथ में जुड़ेंगे, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता। और लोग जुड़ते हैं, हट जाते हैं, लोग थम जाते हैं, रुक जाते हैं, but then your passion for doing what you're doing will take you through. सो वो किया, उसके बाद कश्मीर डिबेट हुई पार्लियामेंट में यहाँ पर, तो ऐसे लगा कि कोई ब्रीफिंग बना नहीं रहा है पार्लियामेंटेरियंस के लिए। हालांकि मेरा कोई नाता रिश्ता नहीं था पॉलिटिक्स से, आई डिडंट नो एनीथिंग अबाउट यूके पॉलिटिक्स। सो आई सेड कि कोई क्यों नहीं बना रहा है, कोई हु इज गोइंग टू स्पीक फॉर इंडिया। पार्लियामेंट में कश्मीर के ऊपर डिबेट है, पाकिस्तान की तरफ से काफी रिप्रेजेंटेशन है, लेकिन हमारी तरफ से तो कुछ है नहीं। So as with everything, इधर उधर देखने के बजाय said, well, okay, I am a Kashmiri girl. I can at least make sure that there is some briefing on India. तो मालूम ज्यादा कुछ था नहीं। I remember at that time वीर वंगू भैया को मैं थोड़ा बहुत जानती थी, I'd never met him. उनको मैंने somehow connect किया, कुछ लोगों से बात की। We actually prepared very good briefing talking points. That, and we connected to UK parliamentarians without actually knowing कि conservatives क्या है, Labour Party क्या है, Lib Dems क्या है, we didn't know. I just knew कि कौन debate कर रहा है, उससे जाके मिले। तो वो सारी process में करते करते I learned, and I was very new to UK only a few years. उतना कुछ politics में interest लिया नहीं कभी भी। करते करते क्या हुआ कि I almost got actively involved in politics. I realized that Indian community are not at all taking interest in whatever is happening here, और हमारे जो narrative की बात करते हैं कि जो चीजें आपको लगता है कि it's uncomfortable what is being represented in the Western media. So my journey has been just that of a volunteer and just of a very ordinary person, very uncomfortable with whatever was not going right. And because there was nobody else doing anything or not seeming to do anything, I thought, okay, खुद ही कर लेते हैं। तो मैं अभी भी Rushil probably knows better than me, but I am still learning. तो ऐसे ही करते करते चीजें की। अब KPCS does a lot of work on lobbying politics. I was actively involved in politics. I was also a political candidate here. And currently in my professional capacity, I head the Confederation of Indian Industry. And one would ask, मुझे कई बार बोलते हैं कि आप अपने professional role में आप activism कैसे कर सकते हो? I was in fact asked at our own community function by one of the senior people from the wider Hindu community. He's a very senior person here, very well regarded. He stood up and he said कि आप तो अपने काम से ज़्यादा कश्मीर के बारे में बात करती हैं. I said, well sir, आपको दिखाई वही ज़्यादा देता है. और यदि अपनी आइडेंटिटी के बारे में बात करने के लिए मुझे कोई नौकरी से निकाल देगा, तो वो तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा दुःख की बात होगी. एंड आई डोंट बिलीव देयर इज़ एनीथिंग रॉन्ग विद मी speaking up for my own human rights. I am, after all, a student of human rights, and anybody and everybody from various backgrounds will experience that there is a lot of appropriation, a lot of misinformation, a lot of misrepresentation. As your children, still many of you, you will see, आप अपने दोस्तों से बात करेंगे, उनको आपके बारे में कुछ पता ही नहीं होगा. लेकिन अगर वो आपसे पूछे कि टेल अस अबाउट कश्मीर, अगर आपको खुद ही नहीं पता है कि कश्मीर क्या है, हु क्रिएटेड कश्मीर, व्हाट इज द हिस्ट्री ऑफ कश्मीर, डिड यू नो दैट कश्मीर एक्चुअली फाउंडेड द नॉलेज ट्रेडिशंस ऑफ नॉट जस्ट इंडिया बट अराउंड द वर्ल्ड. बुद्धिज्म की नई वाली जो स्ट्रीम है, दैट वाज एक्चुअली क्रिएटेड इन कश्मीर एट अ डिस्कशन. Actually, आपने सुशील जी का नाम लिया. He has played a very important role in the movement. रूट्स इन कश्मीर जब इन्होंने बनाया, हालांकि मेरा उनके साथ कोई डायरेक्ट ऐसा कोई मतलब कनेक्शन नहीं है in terms of organizational work, but we have hosted him. We've had the privilege of listening to him. We do a lot of work actively with him. Dr. Toshkani hai, Dr. Strangu hai. We have so many seniors from our community who are doing such fantastic work on the ground. That you listen to them, you watch them do the work that they are doing, read Prasnat जो Dr. Toshkani ने publish करी थी, and Sushil was involved in it. That magazine has a lot of information, a lot of historical essays that will help you understand कि हमारी कितनी हद तक हमने what we have lost. And many of our seniors will say that हमारी tragedy है कि हमें पता ही नहीं कि what we have lost. So language definitely is one that I'm actually pleased to see कि आप लोग सब बात कर पाते हैं. लेकिन लैंग्वेज एक छोटा हिस्सा है. लैंग्वेज के अलावा भी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. आपकी हिस्ट्री जो है, आपका अगर आपको मैप पढ़ने का शौक है तो आप देखेंगे कि if you go right back into the history of Kashmir, you will see what exactly was Kashmir, who created it, what was the traditions that we are talking about. Last year हम लोग ने यहाँ पर मैंने एक प्रोजेक्ट किया था बच्चों के साथ में, and that's something that you might want to actually do. प्रोजेक्ट बहुत सिंपल सा था. हमने सबने बोला कि अपने बारे में हमें ज्यादा कुछ किसी को पता नहीं है, स्पेशली व्हेन योर किड्स आपको बार बार बोलते हैं आप इंटरेस्ट नहीं लेते हो. तो आप लोग को तो नहीं शायद बोलते होंगे, आप लोग तो काफी इंटरेस्ट लेते हैं. यहाँ पे बेचारे बच्चों को हमेशा बोला जाता है आप लोग इंटरेस्ट नहीं लेते हो. तो जब उनको सबको बिठा के मैंने कहा एक काम करते हैं, आपका आज का एड्रेस लिखो और उसके बाद फिर लिखो कहाँ कहाँ अपने अलग अलग जगह पे रहे हो, और उस डिफरेंट एड्रेसेस के बीच में फिर कहानी लिखो कि आपने क्यों मूव किया एक जगह से दूसरी जगह. डू द सेम थिंग फॉर योर पेरेंट्स, डू द सेम थिंग फॉर योर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, फॉर योर ग्रेट ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स. जितना पीछे तक आप चेन में जा सकते हैं. फैमिली ट्री बनाते हैं ना, फैमिली ट्री जैसा ही है, लेकिन यू आर ट्रेसिंग डाउन योर जर्नी. तो उसमें देन यू राइट डाउन कि उस जगह की क्या बात है, क्या खासियत है, उस जगह की क्या यादें हैं आपकी फैमिली में. सो व्हाट यू क्रिएट इज योर almost like a chart or a tree of your family history in a very very specific way of what all have you lost, what all can you trace yourself down to. आप family tree बनाते तो उसमें ये मेरे रिश्तेदार हैं, ये मेरे ये हैं, grandfather हैं, great grandmother हैं, हम इनकी lineage में हैं, लेकिन it doesn't really tell you very much, right? It doesn't show you कि आपने क्या क्या चीजें, क्या स्पेसिफिक स्टोरीज थी, क्या आपकी एनेक्डोटल मेमोरी थी, क्या क्या ट्रेडिशंस फॉलो होते थे. हमारे घर में इस तरह के कपड़े पहने जाते थे, हमें बिकॉज यहाँ कोरने वाला घर था उस तरह के नाम से जाने जाते थे. दिस वाज हाउ वी वर नोन. सो ये आप करोगे तो उसमें तस्वीरें पुरानी, वो सारी जितनी whatever information you can find, you'll see that you'll find very very fascinating information. At the time that we were doing this project, I also wrote a play. राकेश कौल जी ने एक किताब लिखी थी लास्ट क्वीन ऑफ कश्मीर. तो मैंने वो किताब जब पढ़ी तो मैं उससे काफी प्रभावित हुई. I have always wondered why we don't have very valorous warrior like icons in Kashmiri history. ललदेद हैं, बहुत बड़ी poetess हैं, philosopher हैं, और निमाल की बातें करते थे. Like, so I was always keen on knowing कि कोई warrior princess नहीं थी क्या हमारी, कोई मतलब more in the valorous sort of side नहीं थी कोई, or political or somebody like that who we can look up to और अपने बच्चों को सिखाया जाए. तो I was very pleased to read about कोटा रानी. तो कोटा रानी के लाइफ को लेकर उस कैरेक्टर को लेकर मैंने एक प्ले लिखा था. तो कंडीशन ऑफ द प्ले वाज दैट द चिल्ड्रन हैव टू हैव प्रिपेयर्ड दिस प्रोजेक्ट. जब बच्चों ने प्रोजेक्ट पे काम किया उसके बाद उनको ऑडिशन में आकर प्ले में हिस्सा लेने की का मौका मिला. And the play was set in 3 different time zones, time periods. It was the 14th century, because Kota Rani, to 2019, which was last year, and 1990. So it traveled 3 different time periods, and it's, I think, available on Facebook and social media. और उसमें अपनी रूट्स से कनेक्ट करने की ही बात थी कि हमने क्या ट्रेडिशंस थे, क्या चीजें थी जो हमारी who we are, what exactly happened. और यंग बच्चे जो हैं वो अपने माँ बाप से पूछ रहे हैं कि हमारे साथ क्या हुआ, what exactly is it. Unfortunately many families don't talk about our history, and I'm told by many parents here कि ये तो बहुत ही दुख वाली और बहुत ही, it's a lot of blood and gore, it's a lot of difficult facts to tell our children. Islamic jihad की बात करना इतना कोई आसान काम नहीं है. And then you know, if you tell your children about it, जो terrorist जो की बातें बताना, आप लोग को कई पेरेंट्स समझते हैं कि ये बहुत ही मुश्किल काम है. मगर अगर आप अपने स्कूल करिकुलम में देखें, यू आर टॉट अबाउट वर्ल्ड वॉर 1, वर्ल्ड वॉर 2 पढ़ाते होंगे ना, है ना? म्यूटिनी ऑफ सेपॉइस के बारे में भी पढ़ाते हैं. A lot of war related education is already given to you. Jewish Holocaust के बारे में यहाँ पे यूके में तो बहुत extensively पढ़ाया जाता है. या एक ब्लैक हिस्ट्री मंथ मनाया जाता है जिसमें कि ब्लैक हिस्ट्री के बारे में और उनकी जो एक्सेसेस हैं उसके बारे में पढ़ाया जाता है. तो द क्वेश्चन आई सिंपली आस्क्ड माय फ्रेंड्स हियर वाज दैट अगर ये सब बच्चे ये पढ़ रहे हैं तो आप कश्मीरी पंडित एक्सोडस की बात क्यों नहीं कर सकते हो? व्हाई कांट यू टॉक अबाउट द 7 एक्सोडसेस? व्हाई कांट यू टॉक अबाउट व्हाई द जो आज की डेट में मस्जिदें हैं कश्मीर में, जो पुराने स्ट्रक्चर्स हैं, उनकी ओरिजिनल फॉर्म क्या थी? व्हाट इज इट दैट दे एक्चुअली वर? सो इफ यू डोंट आस्क रेलेवेंट क्वेश्चंस यू विल नॉट गेट द आंसर्स. And so that's essentially been my journey. Recently I saw that Facebook announced that whole avatar thing. I questioned why there was no sari and bindi. I'm usually in Indian attire wherever I go here. I wear Indian clothes every day, whether it is sari or salwar kameez, and I wear my bindi with a lot of pride. And I found it very uncomfortable that there were no Indian looking avatars, and the only Asian looking avatar that there was on Facebook was a hijab wearing face, which did not even remotely look like an Asian face. So I questioned it and I got very angry. I wrote about it extensively, campaigned for it. And fortunately for us, Facebook did finally, after relentless campaigning, after a month and a half, they did finally introduce not just in India, but also in the UK. बड़ी कोई बात नहीं. I actually don't give monkeys to what Facebook does or doesn't do, but I have a problem with diversity and inclusion. जब आप लोग बड़े होंगे, आप लोग धीरे-धीरे you will understand that representation is a very very important thing. It's actually a civil right. It's the most basic civil right. You need to be represented. आप जब वोट डालते हैं तो वो आपकी representation के लिए डालते हैं. And many people along the way, when you become activists, you already are activists because you're actively involved. A lot of elders will actually try to tell you कि हम तो बहुत थोड़े से हैं, we are a very insignificant community, we are not even a vote bank. But even at the time that I began my journey as a very simple volunteer and an activist, I used to question that as well, learn to question some of these basic, challenge them. And I used to say कि even if I'm the last person standing from my community, I'm very, very significant. I'm significant for that very reason. And because we are few, we are more than significant. Because we are the originators of civilization, right? I mean, जो हिंदू सनातन धर्म है उसका जन्म हमारी संस्कृति से ही हुआ है. तो how can you actually dissociate yourself from that very, very important role. And I remember actually saying a few years back, I'm not sure, Sachin, if you were in any of the political meetings, but I actually remember arguing it out and saying to people and not getting much support in it, that you will see elections will be fought and lost on the basis of Kashmir and Kashmiri Hindu vote bank. So if you think we are not a vote bank, you think again. In the UK, elections were won on the basis of our narrative, right? So we are a very significant vote bank. In India, Prime Minister Modi came back, got re-elected because of his manifesto promise of the Article 370 and all of that. So elections have been won on the basis of Kashmiri Pandit, cause. So we are not insignificant by any measure. We are the response to the jihadi narrative. They don't like it when a Kashmiri Pandit will stand in front of them and say कि तुम तो मीरपुरी हो, तुम तो पंजाबी बोलते हो, तुम तो कश्मीरी बोलते ही नहीं हो, तुम्हें तो आता ही नहीं है बोलना, तुम कौन से कहाँ से कश्मीर हो, कश्मीरी तो वो होते हैं जो वैली से हैं, हम हैं कश्मीरी, तुम्हें तो पता ही नहीं है तुम क्या हो. They suddenly become very disoriented and they're caught unawares. So know your strengths. Of course the world will tell you that नहीं आप तो divided हैं, आपकी तो बहुत संस्थाएं हैं. It's a distraction. Please don't pander to their distractions. You should know that we are a very, very united community. You know how many panchangs have been sold in the recent years, how many people and new families now read and refer to the Jantri, right? A lot of people are now celebrating Shivratri ho gaya, even Kheer Bhavani puja यहाँ यूके में भी हम लोग करते हैं. हमारी religious traditions ही हमको बहुत तरीके से जोड़ती हैं. There are many community groups across the world where they dream of building their own mandir or a bhavan. There is a Kashyap Bhavan somewhere, there's a Sharda Bhavan somewhere, there is a Bhagwan Gopinath ka mandir or sabha or something, or there are lots of efforts to revive the Sharda Lipi. There are so many efforts to create a digital museum. I've heard from various community groups. मैं कुछ meetings में बैठती हूँ, मैं इतनी senior नहीं हूँ, लेकिन जो बड़े लोग हैं वो लोग जब बातें करते हैं तो there are lots of efforts, lots of active efforts to revive our cultural linkages. Music हो गया, folk tales हो गई. राधिका कौल है, she parents live in Delhi, but वो इतनी बढ़िया तरीके से कश्मीरी language class करती है. My sister's learning it. I was supposed to be on it, but I couldn't keep up with the time, so I had to not do it this time, and I'll hopefully do it in the autumn. तो बहुत सारे, और ये young बच्चे हैं. They're so whoever tells me that the young people are not involved, I tell them to actually think twice and to look around. I was एक अभी KOA ने program किया था, US के जो group है, शकुन जी had hosted a program. वहाँ पे दो बच्चे, रोहित and I think was it Prerna, I can't remember the girl's name. दोनों बच्चों ने जिस तरह की बात की, the boy actually he's asked me a question ki what should we do to connect to our cultural roots and all of that. So I, as usual, मेरे पास तो कोई जवाब होता नहीं है, मैं तो खुद ही जवाब ढूंढ रही हूँ. तो I actually asked him, I said आप मुझे बताओ कि what should we do, because बड़े have a tendency of talking at you, right? आपसे सब बोलेंगे कि आपको ये करना चाहिए, वो करना चाहिए, but the important thing is to know कि आप, what do you think we should do to be more participative? So he said three very powerful things, and I think in terms of oratory, although Colonel Tikku was there, Sushilji was there, a lot of seniors were there, I think as compared to every single one of the speakers, his three simple, very humbly presented points were the most powerful, and they have stayed with me. He said, don't be challenge us every time, and he said don't forget your history, don't ever forget where we have come from, and remind us about our history, about the painful history. Number two, he said challenge us and don't be ruthless, be ruthless with us in terms of wanting to do more, give us more challenges to be active in the community. And number three, he said that give us a lot more work than we are capable of doing. And I thought कि हम सब बड़े लोग तो उस तरह की बात कभी करेंगे ही नहीं कि हमें और काम दे दो, कोई नहीं. बच्चे जो हैं, they really shape the future and they are the present, and together with them we are the present as well. So जो बुजुर्ग लोग, जो बड़े लोग, सीनियर्स बोलते हैं अब तो ये तुम्हारी बारी है, we are passing on the baton. There is no scope of passing on anything unless you become participative. So this is the time for, you know, in many of you must be in your corporate sort of roles and professional lives, you'll hear about collaborative learning and collaborative working and creating a human resource capital and all of that. The same principles actually apply to our everyday life. जब आपको कुछ काम करना है, हर एक टीम में जो अलग-अलग लोग हैं उनकी स्ट्रेंथ्स होती हैं. So if people ask anyone हमें क्या करना चाहिए, a lot of people, you know, get moved by the Kashmiri Pandit, our Exodus story and इतनी painful कहानियां हैं, वो सुन के they get moved and they're like, अब बताइए हम क्या करें. But the point is not that, you know, somebody else will tell these people what to do. They need to find out what their own journey is going to be. कोई डॉक्टर है तो शायद ट्रीटमेंट्स वगैरह के ऊपर काम कर सकता है, पब्लिक हेल्थ रिलेटेड काम कर सकते हैं. डॉक्टर केएल चौधरी ने कितना अमेजिंग काम किया है in documenting what was the impact of the exodus on that. And I'm not saying everybody can do that, but then transgenerational trauma के ऊपर कई काम हुए हैं, हिस्ट्री हेरिटेज रिलेटेड काम किए हैं. कोई पाम लीफ फोलियोज पढ़ पाता है तो पुरानी हिस्टोरिकल डॉक्यूमेंट्स को डिजिटाइज किया जा सकता है, उसको सरल रूप से ट्रांसलेट करके समझाया जा सकता है. Somebody who can actually make lists of who are the prominent people within the community doing that, if they can provide active mentorship, there is something or the other that every single one of us can do within our space. Not everybody needs to be a politician or a leader. I think वो leader वाला भी जो misnomer है ना, that needs to be dispelled extensively. We all need to be foot soldiers. We all need to be volunteers and workers. Leader वेडर कुछ नहीं होता. Leader emerges out of their own action and their initiative. A leader is a momentary person who is just leading that particular project, and that's the way we have founded our movement here in the UK. कोई यहाँ पे नेता वेता नहीं है, कोई हमारे तो ऐसी कोई प्रेसिडेंट सेक्रेटरी ऐसा कोई रोल भी नहीं है. we're all just a group of volunteers. जो volunteers है वो कांटे का ताज पहनने वाले काम है. जो नेता बनेगा वो कांटे का ताज पहनेगा, सबसे ज्यादा काम उसको करना पड़ेगा और सबसे ज्यादा जिम्मेदारी उसे उठानी पड़ेगी. And that's the only way leadership works for us. And I'll actually pause there. आपके कोई सवाल हो, मेरी समझ से मैं ऐसा कुछ नहीं आपको बता सकती हूँ जो कि आप लोग को पता नहीं है. I'll actually wait to hear from you all and learn from you all instead. Please.
Yeah, anybody who is on the call can ask Lakshmi ji, particularly kids, Kashir Zan Prazan, anyone from the kids. And we have Panta sir ki daughter hai, Kalpana ji, if you have any question.
Namaskar.
Yeah, namaskar. Your name?
नमस्कार, मारा मेरा नाम लारण्य रैना. तो क्या शुरन खतर करान?
Bachas Shuran Khatar Karan, Bachas Nakihin Karan, Bachas Shuran say time spend Karan. I spend a lot of time with children. Unfortunately, my daughter passed away 3 years back, but all her friends and the new children that are coming along, मैं बच्चों के साथ बहुत time बिताती हूँ. I think I spend more time with children than with grown-ups. Even with get-togethers, I'm mostly surrounded by children. Bachas वारा time spend Karan, Bachas hechan shouldn't say. Suchas bikaran.
तो it's खतर inspiration.
Thank you. तो ऐसे में खातर inspiration. वारा inspiration.
शुक्रिया मारा.
Thank you.
Laranya, very good.
Very good. And you have a beautiful name, Laranya.
शुक्रिया मारा.
Also.
Yeah, anybody else? Yeah, Kalpana ji.
Yeah, I've just been listening to Mrs. Lakshmi and it's really like I said it first, and बहुत अच्छा लगा आपकी बातें सुनकर, बहुत इंस्पिरेशन मिली एंड आई गॉट टू नो अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आल्सो फ्रॉम यू बिकॉज बहुत सारी चीजें पता नहीं होती है अबाउट आवर रूट्स एंड एवरीथिंग, अभी समझ आ रहा है बहुत, तो अच्छा लगा, बहुत अच्छा था।
मैंने तो ऐसा कुछ बताया ही नहीं मैंने तो खाली बोला कुछ सवाल पूछो इट्स अनफॉर्चुनेट दैट यू नो वी हम लोग अपने जो एंसेस्टर्स हैं उन्होंने जो काम किए हैं उनकी जो अर्निंग्स हैं उसी के नाम का हम लोग खा रहे हैं जो खा रहे हैं. वी हैव नॉट डन एनीथिंग येट टू बी फीलिंग एनी एंटाइटलमेंट बाय वे ऑफ आवर कि यू नो हाउ अदर कम्युनिटीज लुक एट अस कि हमें देख के बोलते हैं कि आप कश्मीरी पंडित हैं, आप काफी यू नो बहुत विद्वान हैं, ये है वो है. We have not, we really have to do a lot more to actually earn that kind of even sense of achievement or sense of belonging. We have our tragedy is that we don't even know what we have lost. So if I can encourage people to just carry on asking the relevant questions, look for हमारे जो इतने seniors हैं community के, we are you know on the brink of that disconnect right now. तो मेरे से ज्यादा तो एक्चुअली जो हमारे सीनियर्स हैं, जो इनसे जितना आप संजो सकते हैं, जितना आप उनसे सीख सकते हैं, it's time is running out every day. It's almost like an urgent need to learn from them as much as you can while they can tell you, while they can talk, while they have memory, while they have the consciousness to actually share and record it. डिजिटल फॉर्मेट में तो बहुत कुछ हो सकता है. आपके अपने घर में जो बड़े हैं उनसे जितना आप इस समय सीख सकते हो, पूछ सकते हो. My grandparents are not alive to tell me you know where I came from. My family tell me that मैं कहीं हब्बा कदल में हमारा घर होता था. I have no idea what that looks like. I don't even know what हब्बा कदल looks like anymore, right? Because I have not really lived there. मुझे मेरा घर ही नहीं पता कि दिखता कैसा था, क्या होता था. मेरे पास कोई secondary tertiary information भी नहीं है because my parents also grew up outside and they were not really brought up in Kashmir. तो already 3 generation का disconnect चल रहा है हमारे लाइफ में. So you know with as generations will pass, you will become even more disconnected. So if I can just encourage you to urgently do something about it, about knowing about your own self. This whole campaign that I'm running, Handmade in India currently, is a way to, you know, when I ran the Avatar campaign, although I said that मुझे उतना कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि फेसबुक में कोई है कि नहीं है चीज, वो कार्टून में तो यूज भी शायद नहीं करती हूँ. बट द पॉइंट वाज दैट अ लॉट ऑफ आवर इंडियन ethnic Indian community members and others said to me कि आजकल तो कोई साड़ी और बिंदी पहनता ही नहीं है, आजकल तो ये इंडियन अटायर कोई यूज करता ही नहीं है. एंड आई एम लुकिंग एट देम लाइक कैन यू लुक एट मी, कैन यू लाइक सी मी, मैं तो पहनती हूँ. Just look at me. I do wear it. And it doesn't matter whether many people do it or not. We're talking about online social media population. India has the second largest, or actually the largest user base of social media population. Facebook, you know, ने जियो में invest किया recently. Google is now giving out scholarships. ये लोग क्यों कर रहे हैं हमारे देश में ये सब काम? क्योंकि we have the large human capital that they all require. They need people to be getting online. So if they can't even represent us, then that's quite shameful and it's not acceptable. It just isn't acceptable. You're telling me that खाली office जाने वाले लोग जो थोड़ी सी population urban है, वही खाली social media use करते हैं. ये TikTok अभी तो बन रहे थे videos, कहाँ-कहाँ गाँव-गाँव से जिलों से निकल के आ रहे थे. तो social media user population जो है बहुत बड़ी है. Irrespective of social media usage, a representation has to be fair and inclusive. And in being inclusive, any kind of representation cannot be, the face of representation cannot be a hijab or a burqa. I refuse to accept that as my identity. It's not my representation. It's a tool of enslavement. I don't believe in it at all. I reject it wholeheartedly. A lot of Muslims reject it wholeheartedly. Why aren't we speaking up about it? So it's not just about the soft side of reconnecting with your roots. There will be many times when you will be the only person speaking up, and you will be told that क्यों कर रहे हो ये सब? you know, why are you doing this? इससे क्या फायदा होगा? नौकरी चली जाएगी, प्रमोशन रुक जाएगी, इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं मिलेगा तुम्हारे प्रोजेक्ट में. Why are you doing what you're doing? It's not needed. And then it's your moral gauge, it's your sanskriti, it's your sanskar that will actually tell you why that is important to do and why it is so important that you're feeling so uncomfortable. It's like the good touch and bad touch that you teach in school, right? बच्चों को आप सिखाते हो कि अगर आपको किसी ने गलत तरीके से हाथ लगाया तो आपको बोलना है. You have to speak up. You don't accept. This whole Me Too movement started with the whole good touch and bad touch thing, and people being unnecessarily taken advantage of. Now, when that debate happens, we are very active and participative. But when it is your own identity at the brink of extinction and somebody is actively trying to invade into that space, you are okay with it. Even I think language itself, a lot of words from Urdu, Persian have been now incorporated into our language. Language is not pure anymore. अगर आप हिंदी बात कर रहे हैं, हिंदी में बात कर रहे हैं, तो आप हिंदी भाषा भी काफी ज़्यादा perverse हो चुकी है, काफी corrupt हो गई है. So the purity of everything has been, you know, corrupted. So वो corruption को पहचानना पहली बात, वो शत्रुबोध जिसको बोलते हैं. You need to first know who your enemy is, right? And there's a lot of tendency to say कि नहीं, it's okay, अब हमें क्या फर्क पड़ता है. फर्क पड़ता है, आपको हर रोज फर्क पड़ता है. Before you realize आपके पैर के तले से जमीन तक खिसक जाएगी. In the UK, what has happened is that क्योंकि हम लोगों ने political representation के बारे में ढंग से सोचा नहीं, what has happened is that जब वो कश्मीर डिबेट की जिसमें मैंने बात की थी, we won that debate. We won that hands down, and it was the first time there was a moral victory of Kashmiri Pandits in UK Parliament, and वो बड़ा बहुत तमाशे के साथ news छपी. लेकिन उसके बाद हम लोगों ने मेहनत करनी बंद कर दी. I kept saying to my colleagues and friends and people, I said अभी ये कहानी खत्म नहीं हुई है. You have to relentlessly campaign and tell all parliamentarians and all elected representatives about Kashmir, Kashmiri Pandit, the exodus, what has been going on. नहीं देखो हम तो जीत गए, हमने तो बहुत कमाल कर दिया, हमने तो तीर मार लिए. You know what happened in the next debate? Only a few years later, 2-3 years later, we lost the debate. And why did we lose the debate? जिन लोगों ने हमारे पक्ष में बोला था, उनको election में हरा दिया. They did not win the next election. And you know who replaced them? Pakistani origin MPs replaced them. So the problem became much worse because we gave up. And we became, almost like कि हाँ हमने तो कर लिया, एक छोटी सी जीत में हम खुश होके हमने सोचा अब लड्डू बांटो, मिठाई करो, people are going to pubs and celebrating and all of that. We kept saying that ये यहाँ बात खत्म नहीं हुई, you have to carry on, you have to keep doing it. Sometimes you will meet success, but many times you will actually not see success at all. In your lifetime, you may not see success, but you have to carry on. Yesterday was 30 years of the founding day of Panun Kashmir. The journey of Panun Kashmir has been the only political movement of Kashmiri Pandits that has kept, you know, Kashmiri exile consciousness alive. And to be connected to the movement, not just by action, but by virtue of being a Kashmiri Pandit is so important. आप इस particular provision को मानते हैं कि नहीं मानते हैं, उसकी politics में पढ़ने की बजाय, if you understand the essence of why it is important to be a part of a movement that has been run by the community, I think everybody, there are many elders here who can actually tell me more. The movements like Panun Kashmir are so valuable in reconnecting us. इतना काम हुआ है, इतनी और websites बनी है और Kashmiri organization है जिन्होंने बनाई हैं. There are many platforms. KOA actually has an extensive database of information. और भी एक दो इस तरह के platforms है. There's so much to read there. अभी तो हमने वही पढ़ना शुरू नहीं किया. This year it is the 750th birth anniversary of Laleshwari, you know, our revered saint and poetess. How many have actually done anything about Laleshwari? How many do actually know कि ललवाक, authentic ललवाक कौन से हैं? ललेश्वरी का जो identity है वो तक perverse हो चुकी है क्योंकि she even ललवाक गलत तरीके से लिखे गए हैं. So this year in January when Sushil ji was here, I told him that we would like to commemorate this year as 750th, you know, birth anniversary. And I remember last year जब मैंने इस बारे में सोचा था तो मैंने जितनी किताबें मुझे ऑनलाइन मिल सकती थी, ऑर्डर कर सकती थी, जितने भी किताब खरीदने के प्लेटफॉर्म से, I bought all of them. There were only, I think, 1 or 2 books of that were authentic. Many were also written by Kashmiri Pandits, but were not authentic at all. And that's our tragedy. जितने अंग्रेज, जो 2 अंग्रेजों ने लिखी थी किताबें हमारी, वो खाली authentic documentation था ललेश्वरी की हिस्ट्री का. That's the tragedy that we are sitting on. And if it is not worrying us, then I don't know what will worry us. So it's nice and good to get together and, you know, social functions and whatever. मगर जो हमारे seniors हैं, डॉक्टर तुष्कानी ने इतना काम किया है इस space में, मुझे तो इतने नाम भी मालूम नहीं है. I'm still learning. And somebody sharing Stein की जो काम है वो, that's very, very valuable. So I mean, this kind of documentation, active readings must be arranged with the children. खाली चुनो language है, you know, that's very, very important. But history को जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है. I mean, there are so many seniors from the community who you should invite and, you know, get them to talk. I listen to their oratory, their documentation, their read what they've written, and थोड़ा-थोड़ा करके सीख रहे हैं. So I'm glad that you found something useful, but I don't think I've said anything useful at all so far. I don't actually have any, I've not shared any content information, but I would definitely urge you all to read more, read authentic stuff. Ask yourself, does this sound authentic? इसके अंदर what are the words being used in poetry, for example? What is the kind of language being used? Refer to your family, elders in the family, and ask them कि इस तरह की भाषा use होती थी. I didn't actually know for the longest time कि संस्कृत हमारी ही root language. Like a lot of documentation of Kashmiri literature has been in Sanskrit. शारदा के ऊपर जो इतना focus है, Sharda was the court language, but the prevalent language was Sanskrit. So it is so important to know, right? हम लोग अपने आप को बहुत फटाफट से डिसोसिएट कर लेते हैं वाइडर हिंदू कम्युनिटी से, और हम कहते हैं हम लोग कुछ खास हैं, हमारे पास बहुत कुछ स्पेशल है, मगर हमें मालूम नहीं है कि हमारे पास स्पेशल है क्या. You live in Telangana, you'll have a lot of people say that, you know, Saraswat Brahmin, you know, we are Saraswat Brahmins and we relate with you and your history and your heritage. जितनी संस्कार, जितनी ट्रेडिशंस, जितनी लिटरेचर की जानकारी उनको है, हमें उतनी बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. आई डोंट थिंक वीव टेकन, मैंने स्कूल में संस्कृत सीखी थी, उसके बाद तो कभी सीरियसली लिया भी नहीं है. नाउ वी आर लुकिंग फॉर क्लासेस, ऑनलाइन क्लास कहीं पे मिल जाए, कुछ मिल जाए. जब हम सीख रहे थे तब हमने उसको सीरियसली नहीं लिया. So Rushil, if you're learning Sanskrit in school, please take it very seriously. Don't be like me. Take it very, very seriously, because later you'll find it so valuable in reconnecting to your own roots. You'll be able to read so much more. I only have access to English or Hindi books. हिंदी भी ढंग से शायद मुझे पढ़नी नहीं आती होगी, और कुछ मैं पढ़ ही नहीं सकती हूँ, because I don't know any other language. If you're learning a foreign language, do definitely go back to your own, you know, indigenous root languages. So important. And I'm very happy कि आप लोग कम से कम spoken language पे तो काम है. It's only the beginning for you. There's so much more to do, and you're still young. I feel that if I had known many years back, थोड़ा सा और मुझे time मिल जाता. I don't know life कितनी है, आगे क्या है, but you know, I started off very, very late. To have started at nearly 30 years of age is nothing. The last 10 years is nothing that, you know, I've learned. I wish I'd started as a 1-year-old or even as a baby, then I would have 40 years of learning with me. So people who are younger like you should actually take a lot more interest. Ask questions. परेशान करो अपने माँ बाप को कि मुझे बताओ क्या सीखना है. आपके दादा दादी, नाना नानी, परदादा परनानी, you know, whoever is around with you, ask them questions, you know, ask them a lot of questions. परेशान कर दो उनको और लिखो, document करो, record करो. Later you'll see all of this and you'll see that what valuable information you've created, what repository you've generated for the whole community, because it's relevant to everyone. जो आपकी दादी को पता है वो मेरी दादी को नहीं शायद पता. मेरी तो दादी हैं भी नहीं, तो मैं तो उनसे नहीं पूछ सकती हूँ. मेरी मम्मी को भी पता नहीं है. तो अगर आपकी दादी या आपकी परदादी हैं या नानी है, परनानी है, उनसे पूछो. Ask them those questions. Very, very important. Any other question?
Any other question? Anybody can go ahead.
नमस्कार.
नमस्कार.
नमस्कार. बहूत छुस पन्न स्कूलस मंज कभी कभी कॉम्पिटिशन्स होते हैं, मैं उनमें कभी कभी कश्मीरी में स्पीचेस देता हूँ कश्मीर के बारे में। पर मेरे को कश्मीर की हिस्ट्री के बारे में जानना है, पर जो भी बुक्स अवेलेबल है वो तो मतलब बहुत इतनी बड़ी बड़ी किताबें मैं तो इतने आसानी से समझ नहीं पाता हूँ, तो मैं कहाँ से स्टार्ट करूँ?
बहुत ही अच्छा सवाल है। सी दैट्स हाउ यू क्रिएट गुड कंटेंट। सो एक प्रोजेक्ट है जिसपे मैं कोशिश कर रही हूँ कि सुशील जी मुझे थोड़ा सा टाइम दें। आई एम ट्राइंग टू क्रिएट अ पॉडकास्ट of history of Kashmir from the beginning. This is a project that hopefully will help you understand the history. But while we are doing that, आप इन तरह के senior लोगों को बुला के rather than then talking about Article 370 or domicile or any of that, I think ask them about the history of Kashmir. Dr. Toshkani से आप पूछो रोशन, आप बोलो उनको phone number सचिन से लो, आप उनको phone करो, बोलो कि हमें जानना है, हम बच्चे हैं. I'll help you arrange a session with him. I think बच्चे और जगह से भी, I think that's a very good idea. Why don't we get some of these seniors to talk about the history of Kashmir from its beginning, to talk about how was Kashmir created, है ना? आप धीरे धीरे करके फिर अपने फ्रेंड्स को आप बता सकते हो, भले ही कश्मीरी में बताओ या हिंदी में बताओ या whatever other language your friends and you speak. Should we do this? करते हैं, है ना? Let's invite some seniors to talk about the history of Kashmir.
ओके।
कि कश्यप ऋषि कौन थे, सती सर क्या था, कश्मीर में जो लोग रहते थे वो कौन लोग थे, क्या कपड़े पहनते थे।
स्टोरी ऑफ कश्मीर।
चलो बताओ कौन बोला ये?
सिद्ध।
सिद्ध कहाँ है? दिख नहीं रहे हैं।
Anyone else? I think somebody spoke, but anyone else has question? So please go ahead.
Namaskar, Sarni. This is Neelam from Hyderabad. Hello, ma'am.
Hi, Neelam.
Thank you, ma'am. It is an opportunity to actually listen to you. Thank you for taking time for all of us. I just had a little input here from what I have, observed over the years. कि मैं जब भी कहीं जाती हूँ और कि कोई नया कॉलेज ज्वाइन किया या फिर कोई जॉब इंटरव्यू है, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दे आस्क यू टेल अस अबाउट योरसेल्फ. So I always, whenever I introduce myself, so they ask you, where are you from? So I say, okay, I'm from Srinagar. But then eventually I have seen a lot of Kashmiri children, हम जब भी जॉब इंटरव्यूज में जाते हैं, जो दिल्ली में रहे हैं या माइग्रेशन के बाद स्कैटर्ड हुए और कहीं से भी गुजरात में रहे, मुंबई में रहे, I don't understand why do they shy away from saying that they are a Kashmiri Pandit. So most of them don't say that I am from Srinagar, I am from Kashmir. They say, okay, मैं दिल्ली से हूँ, I'm from Delhi, I'm from Bombay, I'm from Pune, I'm from Hyderabad. So I think, this generation parents should actually make their children aware that अगर हमसे कोई पूछे कि आप कहाँ से हो, we should not say कि मैं दिल्ली से हूँ या मैं कहीं से भी हूँ, किसी भी इंडिया के स्टेट से या इंडिया के बाहर से. Why don't we actually say that I am a Kashmiri, I belong to Kashmir, I am a Kashmiri Pandit. Maybe we can say कि मैं श्रीनगर से थी या मैं किसी X place से थी, Y place से थी. So we should actually teach our children to introduce themselves that I am basically a Kashmiri Pandit, I belong to Srinagar, no matter I was brought up at this place, but मैं basically वहाँ से हूँ. But I have seen this, like our younger generation, even I am not that old to comment on this, but this is an observation that some of my cousins जो अभी दिल्ली से हैं, they feel it like awkward and saying that कि मैं कश्मीरी पंडित हूँ, and I really never found out why is it so. I mean, what is the reason? Why do they want to hide their identity? They don't want to say that they are Kashmiris. So that is one of the observations that parents should just take a little care of this. Like, I mean, just an input. I don't know how relevant it is.
No, it's very relevant. In fact, it's more relevant than any other points that have been raised today. So why don't people say that they are from Kashmir? Because they don't know, first thing, right? I grew up I was born in Chandigarh. I grew up in Himachal. I lived in Kashmir for 2 years, which I hated completely. I did not like living in Kashmir for those 2 years. मेरी बहुत ही खराब memories हैं. I never ever associated myself with Kashmir until I was 27 years of age, right? That's when I realized that I am, and now my introduction is that I am a Kashmiri. I come from Kashmir. I'm a Hindu, and my identity as a Kashmiri Hindu has become a lot more pronounced in my mind, in my heart, and I will not introduce myself as anything else. वो इसलिए भी होता है क्योंकि आपको आप रिलेट नहीं करते हो ना, आपको जब घर में उस तरह की कनेक्ट नहीं है, and it's not just about talking about the painful past that you have to be proud of your history also. Did we know that the bedtime stories were, actually born out of our own knowledge traditions, right? पंचतंत्र हमारे यहाँ से ही बनी है. The art of argument, the discussion, the art of debate and discussion was also born out of Kashmir, right? All of those things are things to be proud of. Mathematical concepts जो हैं, algebra है, ये सारी की सारी चीजें कश्मीर में research होती थी. When the world was coming out of caves, Kashmir was running a full-fledged university. अब ये बातें तो आप अपने बच्चों को बताते नहीं हो, ये वाली बातें तो कोई भी किसी को बताता नहीं है, तो फिर आप कैसे रिलेट करोगे? आप शो ऑफ करने वाली बात होती है ना, आपकी आइडेंटिटी को आप तभी तो शो ऑफ करोगे जब आप उस चीज़ से यू आर प्राउड ऑफ इट. That sense of pride rather than destitution is very important. Of course, we are cultural destitutes right now, and I like to use that term for myself because my tragedy is I don't even know what all I have missed over the years. What all was my tradition? कौन मेरी family में कौन लोग थे? Where can I trace my root to? So जब आप अपनी identity को own करेंगे and you're proud of your identity, naturally you will call yourself. किसी गुजराती family में जाके किसी से भी पूछो, भले ही वो नैरोबी में रह रहे हो या यूके में रह रहे हो या यूएस में रह रहे हो, they will say that I'm गुजराती. उनका कोई लेना देना भी नहीं रहा है गुजरात से, क्योंकि ईदी अमीन ने तो उनको निकाल दिया था, इंदिरा गांधी ने तो उनको घर वहाँ पे इंडिया में जगह भी नहीं दी थी, फिर भी वो गुजराती ही हैं. They are Gujaratis. Similarly, Telugu, Tamilian, Malayalis, everybody will trace their roots to where their root is. हमारी tragedy unfortunately है कि इन सभी communities में they are able to trace themselves to a geographical location. And that's why I say that the role of organizations or movements like Panun Kashmir is so valuable. क्योंकि आपकी exile consciousness जब तक जिंदा नहीं रहेगी, जब तक आपकी sense of identity नहीं रहेगी, आप तब तक कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे. आपकी it's not even just knowing what you've missed or what you're missing or what you don't have. It's also to know what you have. We are alive, so our civilization is alive. But that sense of pride is very, very important. And I think what you're saying, I'm quite pleased that you introduce yourself as a proud Kashmiri Pandit, and that actually leads people into a whole discourse on, अच्छा आप पंडित, आप ब्राह्मण्स हैं, आपके यहाँ पे सारे ब्राह्मण्स ही होते हैं, आप लोग कास्टिस्ट लोग हैं, और उस तरह की चीजें भी सुनने को मिलती हैं. So it's not just you should be ready with all the rebuttals as well. आपको अगर introduction अपनी कश्मीरी हिंदू बतानी है, तो you should also have a sound knowledge and understanding of कि why you're a Kashmiri Hindu. Why would you want to emphasize on that identity? A lot of people will actually, if you're going and talking about yourself in a job interview, will say you're very communal in your outlook, right? आप अपने आप को कश्मीरी हिंदू, कश्मीरी पंडित बोले, आप कास्टिस्ट हैं, आपको हम यहाँ पे नहीं रख सकते, you're too communal. So there are various reasons why. Don't dismiss your peers and your younger ones for them not being able to introduce themselves as their own identity. They may have some reasons, but I think instill a sense of pride in them for what does it mean to be a Kashmiri Hindu? One of the seniors only was sharing an anecdote by a saint who lives in Kashmir currently. वहीं पे रहते हैं, वहीं पे वो पूजा पाठ भी करते हैं, शिव भक्त हैं, सब वहीं पे रहकर अपनी identity sort of संजो रहे हैं. And he has some Muslim followers there, and they are in the Gurukul sort of way with him. And he said to him कि आप तो कश्मीरी अपने आप को बोलते हैं, आप कश्मीरी हिंदू हैं, कश्मीर में आके तो आप रह नहीं रहे हैं. अब हमारे बहुत सारे कारण हैं कि हम वहाँ पे नहीं रह रहे हैं, हमारे तो घर ले लिए, हम सेफ भी नहीं हैं, हम जितने जो लोग हैं उनकी मर्डर्स हो रहे हैं. There is a lot of active process of genocide that is currently underway. लेकिन हम लोग से अगर ये पूछा जाए कि कश्मीर क्यों, You will within the community only you will see people saying कि हम तो वापस नहीं जाने वाले हैं. But point जाने और नहीं जाने की नहीं है. बात ये है कि you should have the right to be in any location that you choose to be. और उसके लिए आपको justice पाना बहुत ज़रूरी है. हमारे को बाहर वाले लोग बहुत बोलते हैं कि आप यूनाइटेड नहीं हैं, आप डिवाइडेड हैं. पर प्लीज जानिए कि बाहर वालों की परसेप्शन जो है ये उनका डिवाइड एंड रूल टाइप का बिहेवियर भी है. It's not necessarily true that we are not united. We are all proud to be Kashmiri Hindus. We may or may not say it, but we do relate with that identity. Many young people who don't relate with the identity, you serve a haq bata in front of them and you serve a pasta in front of them and then see what they will choose. You put like mutton and rogan josh and something, and then you put something else very boring in front of them. You see what they will choose. And food is only one way of reconnecting to your heritage and culture. आपके festivals में लोग कितनी खुशी से volunteer करते हैं, कितनी पूजा वगैरह वाले प्रोग्राम अच्छे से कितने ध्यान से कितनी श्रद्धा से हिस्सा लेते हैं. So I think it's a case of process. And it won't happen overnight. बहुत सारे लोग मेरे जैसे हैं जिनको बेचारों को पता ही नहीं क्यों है कौन. यहाँ पे जो बच्चे पैदा होते हैं वो ब्रिटिश होते हैं. अब उनकी चमड़ी तो उनके रंग रूप को देखकर तो वो इंडियन दिखते हैं. तो इंडिया में भी वो कश्मीरी बोलोगे आप उनको, लेकिन कश्मीर तो उन्होंने कभी देखा भी नहीं है. तो आप उनको कैसे आप ब्लेम कर सकते हो that it's their fault that they don't relate with themselves as a Kashmiri. So for them to relate with themselves as Kashmiri, the others, the community, that's why community organizations are such a valuable platform for everyone to feel that they belong. अभी कोविड से सब लोग ही बहुत परेशान है. I mean, Telangana is no different, and unfortunately सब लोग बहुत ज़्यादा affect हुए हैं. Did we know how many Kashmiri volunteers on the ground have been working round the clock to serve, not just Kashmiri community but also outsiders? कितने लोगों की मदद की है. हम सिख जो फेथ है उनके लोगों के बहुत बात करते हैं. They are referred to in terms of सेवा भाव और बहुत सर्विस, और उसमें काफी उनको हम जानते हैं. लेकिन हम अपनी कम्युनिटी को कभी भी नहीं बोलेंगे कि हाँ इतना this person has done so much work. Please learn to celebrate your own community. Learn to celebrate your own achievements. हमारी community के कितने सारे लोग हैं जो senior positions पे हैं with corporates. Many have made their place in theater, in film, in all of this. And so many more are actually preparing to study, or like, yourselves, the young children here, who are on their way to becoming and doing great things ahead. We need to be proud of our achievements. हमारी saving grace community की ये रही कि हम लोग पढ़ लिख लिए, लेकिन आजकल कई लोग तो पढ़ाई लिखाई भी नहीं कर रहे हैं. So others have learned to pursue education and higher qualifications. Unfortunately, our own community has ditched that whole process of not just our history, but also currently हमारी जो सबको गाना गाने का शौक है, तो you can make a career out of anything. But जो पढ़ाई, physics, chemistry, biology, engineering, doctor बनना, journalist बनना, policy maker बनना, civil servant बनना, the professions have to be diverse. और आप जब तक वो coverage नहीं रहेगी, you will always be sidelined, and then you'll never feel confident of being who you are, because आपको हमेशा एक अलग तरीके से लोग देखेंगे. So you have to be proudly and unapologetically, comfortably be in your skin and be proud of your identity. And it's a very valuable point that you raised. It's a question we should actively ask ourselves: why are we not proud to be Kashmiris? So important. And it will take you to all of this discussion that we've had, and what Rushil has asked as well, कि मुझे कहाँ से मैं सीखूं. So शुरू तो वहीं से करना पड़ेगा, Rushil. So I think you need to work with Auntie, and you need to make sure that everybody is proud to be a Kashmiri, है ना?
Great. Any other questions? So
yeah, Bharat ji.
Yeah, Vivek ji, go ahead.
हाँ, Lakshmi ji, namaskar. It's Vivek. Actually, you told that we should be proud of our Kashmiri language and where we belong. Yes, that is very correct. हमको मतलब always we should be proud to say that we belong to Kashmir. And one more thing, I mean, I just want to share my experience because for the small kids also it may happen, because I work in IT industry, and in companies, I mean, when we introduce that we are Kashmiri Pandit, so and we eat non-veg in front of them, so they always tell that you are Brahmins Pandit and why why you are eating non-veg. So I mean, we should be able to, I mean, give some reason for that also. We should be knowing that. I mean, what is the history behind that, and what is the reason behind that?
I mean, I actually don't have an answer to that
Yeah.
question.
So I always tell that our ancestors were eating non-veg. I mean, and it was because of the, I mean, climatic conditions. So it's very cold in Kashmir. So they, I mean, to survive, they have to eat non-veg. I mean, I don't know because this is what I know. So I mean, our seniors can tell us. I mean, it will be beneficial for our kids. They will also work in future in the companies, and they may face this question because it looks very sometimes different. I mean, odd that if somebody asks this question that you are a pandit and you are eating non-veg.
Very valid
I
question.
think
Actually, Vinodji is also here with us on this call. He and me had a half an hour discussion on that. Probably
Yeah,
whether he's there or not. This
it
is
happens in
really
but a lot
office.
of
In office,
but
it
a lot
happens.
of people globally, including our community, are I don't know if they're going back to becoming vegetarians or they are adopting more sattvic lifestyle. And I can just say, without getting into the debate of vegetarianism or non-vegetarianism, I think a simpler lifestyle, a simpler intake of food is always more healthier for your body. जो तामसिक खाना है वो आपके शरीर के लिए, आपकी माइंड के लिए, आपकी हेल्थ के लिए वैसे भी अच्छा माना नहीं जाता. I mean, people eat what they eat. People are, it's up to them. But जो people who you see have done a lot more in life are all with a very sattvic kind of simple lifestyle. So I think if you really want to go back into your roots and things, having a simple lifestyle, having less baggage, having less focus on your tongue in terms of speaking ill or eating too much or greed, जो आपके तामसिक जो traits होते हैं उसको अगर आप धीरे धीरे ditch करें, it generally is helpful. I'm not trying to get you to become a sadhu or something, but that sadhu bhav in your lifestyle, in your day-to-day life is always very helpful. And you'll see it's not about giving up on living a life, but it's also to just simplify your lifestyle. अभी देखो ना, कोविड में सब लोग घर पे बैठे हैं, एक्सरसाइज पे ध्यान दे रहे हैं, इतने सारे वो वीडियोस आ रहे हैं, इंस्टाग्राम में पोस्ट डाल रहे हैं, कौन क्या क्या कर रहा है, and they're all following very simple food. When you're dieting also, you're following a very simple lifestyle. So I think simplicity, divinity, Caesar Pazar Structure is the tagline that we use for Kashmiri Pandits Cultural Society, and it was coined and sort of used with that purpose in mind, that you want to lead a very simple life so that you are connected to divinity and you are able to speak the truth. So ये सारी अगर यदि आप इसके बारे में सोचें ना, तो ये बहुत गूढ़ बातें हैं. ये कोई it's not just a superficial debate of what my tongue and my heart likes to do or doesn't like to do. It's not about liking or disliking. It's about what kind of lifestyle will be beneficial for you. What जो सुबह सुबह उठ के योग करना, exercising for your mind and your well-being, it gives you a lot of energy. Sleeping at a certain time, eating at a certain time, eating less as you age. मेरे एक दोस्त हैं जो चेन्नई में रहते हैं, आपसे बहुत ज़्यादा दूर नहीं है. He's now 79 and he's a hale and hearty man. He does farming, he does construction actively. I have another uncle who is now 85. Bless him. I hope he has a very long life. They have all led very simple lives. They've all had a control over how much food they eat. And as they've aged, they've eaten less and less and less. And DV, my friend Sridharan from Chennai, he said, my grandmother actually gave me this advice that apni zaban pe, as you age, apni tongue ke upar control karna sikho. So don't speak ill of anyone. Don't eat too much. Eat less, speak less, listen more, learn more. And the more you learn, you realize that actually you don't know anything at all. And so जितना आप जानेंगे उतना समझेंगे कि आप जानते नहीं. So that superficial debate, of course, you can justify momentarily what it is, but really for yourself also to think what exactly is the way that you want to go forward. Sometimes it's not just about going back into your heritage, it's also deciding for yourself how you reconnect to your heritage and how do you go forward. ये थोड़ी गहरी वाली बात है, and I'm not saying that you ditch your mutts and your Rogan Josh and your Kalia, but it's something to think about. It is something to think about. Definitely is something to think about. I take a lot of pride in the food that we cook. Sachin's experienced some of that already here when he was in London. मेरे घर में सांझा चूल्हा टाइप का चलता रहता है. They're always, अभी आजकल तो नहीं कर सकते हैं. I cook very happily a lot of Kashmiri food for friends, people, young professionals who come here. जो खाना चाहते हैं वो बन जाता है. Of course, you know, beef वगैरह नहीं बनता है, but जो बाकी सब खाना चाहते हैं, I will cook that very happily. I consider it as just a connector to our tradition, connector to people and to bring them close to us. But once you're close together, then you can also, over a simple meal of nadar dal and polu, you can also bond over that. So it's up to you. I'm not a vegetarian, so I'm not trying to promote vegetarianism here, but I'm saying that simpler lifestyles have always benefited. So if you focus on your overall well-being, you'll see that sattvic lifestyle will help you a lot more than the tamasic one.
Thank you, Lakshmi
thank
ji.
you. Thank you.
In the
Thanks.
interest of time, we just will probably. I have two questions. One question is, हमारे पास कौन से ऐसे forums है जो vibrant forums है जो actually successful हैं in the field of literature या language या music या bhajans like that, so that the people who are very much keen in these different areas, so we can tell them that these are the right forums they can join. So this is one thing which, if you know, you can share us in that direction. That's one. Second question I have, that is sort of being a parent myself, what I need to learn, how I must, I'm enjoying to this parenthood, but how can I know the thought process of my kid so that I get better ready myself, what I need as a parent advice. So that is one sort of another question, so that I know his thought process is going on. Is there any way I can at least have judgment so that I can have his emotion or his feelings completely felt by me myself as parent? So that's two questions. If you have some points for me, thank you.
I think that's a very beautiful question. So parenting के लिए कोई handbook नहीं होती है ना. हम लोग तो सीख नहीं सकते हैं कि parenting कैसे करनी है. आपके बच्चे को भूख कब लगी है, उसको पेट में दर्द कब है, उसको कब वो उदास है, कब उसको कोई तकलीफ है या कब वो बहुत खुश है, कब वो बहुत कुछ आपसे कुछ बताना चाहते हैं. Even as a baby, you connect with your baby, right? I mean, you do connect as a parent. You will know. I think talk to your children, spend a lot more time with them. हमारी lifestyle इतनी unfortunately busy हो जाती है कि हम बहाने बनाने लग जाते हैं. The maid will look after the children. फिर हम बोलते हैं कि हमारे बच्चों को हमारे संस्कार क्यों नहीं है, क्योंकि हमारे अंदर ही संस्कार नहीं तो हमारे बच्चों में कहाँ से आएंगे. वो एक दुख की बात है. लेकिन spend more time with your children. Remember us growing up, हमारे parents कुछ भी करते थे, मुझे याद है खाना हम हमेशा साथ में खाते थे. We were just not allowed to not have that dinner वाला meal together. Breakfast सब भाग के करते थे, lunch पे कोई घर पे होता नहीं था या होता था तो you know people were at different places. Even before you know through college, university, खाने के टाइम पे घर पे ही होना है. एंड उस समय पे हम लोग सब कभी कोई डैडी मम्मी अपने बचपन की बातें बताएंगे. आई विश उन्होंने थोड़ी पीछे की बातें बताई होती तो मैं शायद और कुछ सीख लेती. लेकिन आई एटलीस्ट यू नो आपके बच्चे आपको सिखाएंगे व्हाट यू नीड टू डू. टॉक टू देम. आप कम्युनिटी के जो काम कर रहे हैं, इफ दे बिकम एक्टिव पार्टिसिपेंट्स टू दैट. नैनिका वाज ऑलवेज अ पार्ट ऑफ एवरीथिंग दैट आई डिड. भले ही वो प्रोटेस्ट था, you think that you're putting them in harm's way by getting them to be a part of the protest. She used to read everything that was written. मैं जो articles लिखती थी वो पढ़ती थी. Political literature हम लोग जो circulate करते थे वो पढ़ती थी. जब उसने पढ़ना लिखना शुरू किया तब से भी वो KPCS बोलना जानती थी. And she would be able to talk about Kashmir. In fact, the week before she died, a friend of mine was living with us at that time. अंग्रेज हैं, and मैं I think Geneva में थी या कहाँ पे मुझे याद नहीं है कहाँ पे थी. I was traveling back that morning, and her Nenika's father was also had to leave early morning. So Nenika and Martin were there together. तो उसने सुबह सुबह नाश्ता बना के उसके लिए खुद तैयार वैयार हो गई. 9 साल की तो थी, उसने खुद तैयार हो गई, नाश्ता बना लिया. उसको मार्टिन को जाके उठाया कि मार्टिन, आई एम रेडी नाउ, आई विल बी वेटिंग डाउनस्टेयर्स, आई हैव prepared your breakfast. मैंने टोस्ट बना दिया है. You come down whenever you're ready, and I'll tell you about Kashmir. That's what she said to her. I was not there. Nenika's father was not there. This is just Nenika and Martin. Martin एक 30 साल की महिला है, कोई छोटी बच्ची नहीं है. So उसने उसको बिठा के, उसका नाश्ता वास्ता करा के, उसके साथ में बिठा के उसको पूरी केपी एक्सोडस की हिस्ट्री बताई कि ऐसे हुआ था, वैसे हुआ था. उसको पूरा आधा पौना घंटा उसने उसके साथ गप्पे मारी हैं. उसको बताया कि हम केपीसीएस में क्या करते हैं, हम एज चिल्ड्रन हम लोग क्या क्या काम करते हैं, हमने पोस्टर्स बनाए थे, हमने प्रोटेस्ट किया था, ऐसे होता है वैसे होता है. उसने सारी कहानी उसको बताई. और ये मैंने उसे एक्टिवली नहीं सिखाया, मैंने उसको बिठा के कभी ये पाठ नहीं पढ़ाया. शी हैज पिक्ड इट अप बिहेवियरली. बच्चे एज विद adults as well, we learn by example, and we also lead by example. So यदि आप अपने बच्चों को अपने साथ एक active participant बनाएं, you know, there are children who are listening. If you are all active participants in the process, remember we are a community of not just adults. We're not just a community of 40-year-olds or 30-year-olds. We are a community of everyone that is Kashmiri, including a baby who's in a pregnant belly, to a person who is 90-year-old. We are all in the present. कोई ये past और future नहीं है. We are all present. हम लोग ही present है और हम लोग ही future हैं. हम लोग के we are all stakeholders, active stakeholders. So आपको जैसे अपने बच्चे की भूख का पता चलता है, वैसे ही आपको उसकी वो जो अपनी roots की connect है उसकी भी पहचान होगी, and vice versa. They'll indicate to you. I think if you just spend a lot more time as families together, as community together, you will find the answer to that question. In terms of what are these specific platforms where you can gain an insight into, बहुत सारे हैं. शारदा लिपि के ऊपर एक प्रोजेक्ट है, वो शारदा ग्रुप जो है वो लोग काफी अच्छा लैंग्वेज रिलेटेड काम कर रहे हैं. भगवान गोपीनाथ जी का जो आश्रम है, बबका आश्रम, उनमें काफी तरह के स्पिरिचुअल सॉर्ट ऑफ डिस्कोर्सेस हैं. कश्मीर शैविज्म रिलेटेड काफी सारे प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं. आई डोंट नो इफ आई कैन लिस्ट डाउन one or two of you, it will be unfair, but I definitely know that Prasnath, जो डॉक्टर तोशकानी ने जो पब्लिकेशन निकाली है सुशील जी के साथ में, that is a very very good starting point to know, get a glimpse into some of these early understandings. And then तो ये बहुत बड़ा सागर है, आपको जितना भी सीखना है उसके लिए there's no end to it. IGNC, Indira Gandhi National Center for Arts, has some resource material as well. Sushma Jattu ji hai wahan pe, she does phenomenal work. Virendra Bangru ji hai, he does a lot of work. Advait Wadini ji hai, she does a lot of work in research. There are lots of people in Jammu who are doing quite a lot of work. So I think the elders in the community and people who read these books will also be able to tell you. बहुत सारे platforms हैं. I think Kashmiri Hindu Sabha in Telangana is actively doing all of that as well. So from different backgrounds, if you invite people as resource people, like इन्होंने बोला, I'll be very happy to create this together with you, because there's a lot of active children's participation with you and with Sachin and the others. I'll be very happy to actually encourage some seniors to come and talk about the history of Kashmir. In fact, अगर सुशील जी को बुलाया जाए, he would be able to talk about it. Dr. Toshkani can talk about it. There are many other elders in the community who will be able to talk about it as well. Sharda Peeth के ऊपर बहुत सारा काम चल रहा है. There are lots of campaigns that are going on currently to reconnect to that.
Thank you, Lakshmi ji. If anybody has a question, probably Lakshmi ji, if you can be brief in answer, so that we finish it in next 5 to 10 minutes maximum. So we address all questions. So 10 minutes may be the last. So exactly 8:40 we will end it our session. So
I forget it is quite late for you.
10 more minutes.
Bharat ji.
Yeah, Pandita sir, go ahead.
नहीं, some small girl is she wants to speak something.
Yeah.
बोलिए, बोलो बेटा.
लारण्या बोलो.
ये कॉमिक्स छो आसन कोशर पर तरफ फिक्री
जल्दी.
जल्दी. आई थिंक गुड आइडिया. मुझे मालूम नहीं है कि कॉमिक्स लिखी गई है कि नहीं कश्मीरी, बट सच अ ग्रेट आइडिया. Toichu Hechan, why don't you write a comic?
Yeah, some work was done.
I don't
Why
know
don't
how
you?
to write a comic.
You start, no? You will, when you start, you will know.
Yes.
Look at the comics. Comics देखो कैसे बनाई जाती है. एक स्टोरी पकड़ो और स्टोरी को कॉमिक बना. मुझे भी भेजना, मैं भी पढ़ूंगी. And I know Sachin does a lot of creative design. So Sachin भैया है ना, उनके साथ बैठ के आप करो तैयार. Give Sachin भैया some work to do.
Okay,
ठीक है?
ma'am.
Yeah, and you send it to me. I'll ask Sachin to send it to me, or you send it to me directly only.
I think they can
when you are ready.
I think they can translate also the Hindi cartoons Chota Bheem in
So
Kashmiri.
Vivek uncle will also help you. See?
So great.
हमारे बच्चे भी यही देखते हैं.
है ना? अच्छा आइडिया, बहुत अच्छा आइडिया है बल्कि.
लक्ष्मी जी नमस्कार. मारा मैं चुनाव आई के पंडित.
नमस्कार मारा.
बात कठे बोले.
नमस्कार मारा.
मेचुन क्वेश्चन या ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, बट लेट मी स्पीक माय हार्ट. आई एम वेरी इम्प्रेस्ड द वे यू स्पोक. यू मे से कि मैंने कुछ आई डोंट नो मच ऑफ कश्मीरी लैंग्वेज, कश्मीरी लिटरेचर, but to my mind 2-3 things which I can surely tell is your outlook is very positive. You are very encouraging. I have seen very few people from our community who talk very good about ourselves. I think that's a very good thing in today's session you have been able to do and deliver. It gives a lot of immense satisfaction to all of us because I claim myself to be a very true Kashmiri. So it gives a lot of solace, it gives a lot of satisfaction, and you endorsing it from UK, from outside India is very, very satisfying. The second thing is, I think what you taught us today, including young children, is ability to question ourselves. I think you have done it wonderfully, very well done. It gives a reason for us to connect. It gives a reason for us to live as a Kashmiri Pandit community. I think you have done it so wonderfully. I was very impressed. I didn't have any agenda to talk about this, but then I couldn't resist, and I thought I will take some minutes from Bharatji and talk about it. I was very impressed while I do some things around in Hyderabad. My daughter is also connected, but the way she was connected today for our last whatever time, from 7:10, she is in front of laptop, which very rarely she does. I'm not saying, but you have been able to bring that connect between all of us. Thank you very much. Thank you for that. The other thing which I could see is that you were able to tell us many things which we have sort of forgotten or taken for granted. Small things, but that helps us to stay connected, to stay committed, and it helps us to bind together. It helps us to be as one community. I'll not take much of time. Thank you very much, and it has been very inspiring, very good. My personal this thing was, you'll talk more about in this COVID times, how do we cope up between a parent and a child, because I have also sent some messages to entire Baradari, which I wrote about this. But the way you have bound us, you have connected us, you got everything into it. I'm very happy, I'm very impressed. Keep doing good work. Well done. We are all with you. We may not be physically, but I'm sure all of this will help us to work together, whatever small, big work all of us are doing. बहुत धन्यवाद. Thank you very much. Mara Bhagwan theno warkar asal kaam ruju karan. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mara. Thank you. I'm quite heartened to hear that. Actually, इस कॉल के पहले if I can actually tell you what I was up to, हमने हमारी मासी, मामा, कुछ तो मौसा जी, कुछ some senior family members are no more, my daughter is no more, but जो हैं हम लोग ने मिलके सोचा कि आज सब मासी और मामा और चाचा और सब लोगों को बुला के हम एक संगीत सभा रखेंगे. So I was late because I was trying to leave that संगीत सभा. So उसमें से सब लोग गाने गा रहे थे और पहले तो बहुत बकबक कर रहे थे, 2-2.5-3 घंटा बातें कर रहे थे, किसने क्या किया, मैं तो गाना नहीं गाती हूँ. But it turned into a very beautiful, the last 1 hour was just mesmerizing in terms of not just film songs, but my sister is married to a Bengali man. She was, and they were with the Ektara singing Baul Geet. My Mausa ji was singing Pahadi, Shimla ka koi gana ga rahe the. My mother surprisingly sang the most Kashmiri songs. And I said, हम जब बड़े हो रहे थे हमें तो नहीं सुनाया, अब बड़ी कश्मीरी गाने याद आ रहे हैं. But it was very nice to get together as a family, as a community. ये COVID के time में जो digital platform is, you are able to do a lot more of that. And I think we should make use of it. सोचिए अगर सब लोग यहाँ पे कुछ ना कुछ अपनी बातें बताएंगे, rather than saying the boring, जो भाषण है वो तो सब लोग, मुझे भाषण देना आता भी नहीं है, तो नॉर्मल बातचीत कर लेती हूँ. तो आई थॉट इट विल बी जस्ट, आई एक्चुअली डिडंट प्रिपेयर एनीथिंग एंड आई थिंक माय अनप्रिपेयर्डनेस वाज वेरी एविडेंट, बट देयर वाज नथिंग दैट, घर वालों से बात करने के लिए तैयारी की जरूरत नहीं होती है. सो आई कंसिडर एनी कश्मीरी और हिंदू कम्युनिटी मेंबर एज माय एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली. Mahara, what you said just now about community and how to connect during COVID times. Actually, I'll give you an example, though not perhaps the right example. But when my daughter passed away, she died because of a freak accident. And people are surprised that I actually openly talk about her accident and incident. जब वो hospital पहुंची, तो within a few hours we had nearly 800-900 people in the hospital downstairs, waiting there. Millions outside who were moved and hurt by what had happened, in anticipation of what was going to happen, whether she will survive or not survive. But what was very beautiful was that होती है ना community में खटपट होती है, किसी को कोई पसंद नहीं आता, किसी के साथ कुछ हो गया तो उन्हें अलग organization बना दी ये वो. The one beautiful thing that happened was that everybody was together. सब लोग वहाँ मिलके खाना खा रहे हैं, एक दूसरे का हाल चाल पूछ रहे हैं. जो लोग सबसे ज्यादा नाराज थे शायद मुझसे over the years, सबसे ज्यादा भागदौड़ वही कर रहे थे, सबसे ज्यादा मेहनत और concerned वही लोग थे. And I think that demonstrates that we are a very, very, very strong community. We are so connected that we don't even realize it. किसी बटनी को आप देखते हो डेजोर पहन के, तो एकदम से your eyes will light up. आप किसी को कश्मीरी का एक सेंटेंस बोलते हुए भी कहीं पे दूर से भी सुन लोगे, तो your ears will suddenly perk up. And that means that we are, if this is not the meaning of being connected to your own community, मैं आज भी कहीं पे किसी ऑफिस के काम से कहीं पे जाती हूँ, कोई कश्मीरी सरनेम दिख जाता है, आई एम सडनली वेरी वेरी एक्साइटेड. कोई मुझे कहता है कि मैं कश्मीर गया हूँ या गई हूँ या ऐसी किसी जगह पे गए, तो आई विल हैव सिट डाउन, आराम से बैठ के गप्पे मारूंगी कि मुझे बताओ क्या किया, कैसे किया. कोई फौज में था, कोई इंजीनियर था, not just Kashmiri people, but anybody who has anything to talk about Kashmir, I'm all ears, because I don't know very much about Kashmir. So from their lens and from their eyes, I'm also learning. And I think that excitement, that happiness, not just sadness. Of course, my daughter's passing away was a very sad moment, but I watched all of these people from afar, and I remember saying to these people, I said, this is, if ये भगवान का भव्य रूप नहीं है तो फिर और क्या है. This is a very big lesson in life, that आपकी छोटी मोटी नाराजगी, आपकी बहुत अजीबोगरीब सी जो बातें दिल पे लेके बैठ जाते हैं, उसको पीछे छोड़ दीजिए. The whole sattvic lifestyle also means that आपका आचरण भी वैसा होना चाहिए. Understand, embrace what people are, and be forgiving to little petty things. उसको मन में मत रखिए. किसी के साथ नाराजगी है, call them. You don't know. अब हमें तो ये भी नहीं पता कि हमारी community में बीमार कौन-कौन है, किसको कोरोना वायरस है. So this is a time when we need to check each other's welfare. अगर आपने कई सालों से किसी से बात नहीं की है, वो आपसे नाराज थे, तो आप फोन कर लीजिए, उनसे बात करिए, पूछिए क्या हाल चाल है, and you'll see they'll become your strongest companions. And I've seen it change in my own life. मेरी किसी से कोई नाराजगी नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. I have had some unfortunate incidents in life, but life has been overall good. God has been kind, and I think we all have a sense of purpose. बहुत कम लोगों को ऐसा अपना sense of purpose मालूम होता है, you know, life में. I think that's what, if you focus on these valuable things, then there is nothing to be upset about or be disconnected about. You're very much connected, and it's a process of learning. We live and we learn every day. हमको बचपन से तो कुछ नहीं आता है किसी को भी, अभिमन्यु के अलावा शायद.
थैंक यू लक्ष्मी जी. आप कश्मीरी हिंदू सभा तेलंगाना एक आपका ये छोटा मोटा कश्मीर है. सो इट इज योर अनदर, एज यू टोल्ड दैट इट्स एन एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली, सो यू आर एनी टाइम वेलकम. ऑल आवर छोटा
नहीं, हमारा वी हैव वर्क टू डू टुगेदर. हमें तो वो कश्मीरी लेसन का एक लेक्चर अरेंज करना है रुशिल के लिए, वो तो अभी दैट प्रोजेक्ट वी हैव टू डू. आप बिल्कुल, मतलब मैं हक से आपको इसके बारे में, आई थिंक वी हैव टू कीप अप दैट प्रॉमिस टू हिम and his friends.
If any one question we can take, because if somebody, I think there were some, yeah. Vimal ji, Vimal Raina.
Lakshmi ji, हमारा नाम विमल रैना. I'm Vimal Raina, and after a long time, आज यूज में टूल्स का मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. आपकी बात सुनकर मुझे अपना स्टूडेंट लाइफ याद आ गई कि हम भी कुछ छोटे छोटे फंक्शंस ऐसा करते थे और छोटे छोटे फंक्शंस ऑर्गेनाइज करते थे. हम कभी बड़े लीडर नहीं थे और हमें बड़े लीडर चाहिए भी. हम ऐसा ही एक छोटे प्लेटफॉर्म पर बोलना चाहते हैं और एक दूसरे को हेल्प करना चाहते हैं. और आज आपकी बात सुनकर बहुत अच्छा लगा. एंड सेकंड, एक विवेक जी ने वेजिटेरियन और नॉन वेजिटेरियन पे एक क्वेश्चन पूछा था. एक मैं एक्चुअली टूरिंग जॉब में हूँ और बहुत सारी जगहों पर मुझे ये क्वेश्चन फेस करना पड़ता है. आई आंसर्ड इट एब्रप्टली. मैंने अपना आंसर क्या दिया वो आई डोंट नो वेदर इट इज गुड और बैड, वेदर इट इज ओके,
आई डोंट नो दैट आइदर,
ट्रू और अनट्रू, बट what I answered, I want to share with all of you. मैंने clearly कहा कि it came from Islamization. We were all Saraswat Brahmins. Everything was, we were Brahmins, and originally 100% Kashmiri Hindu state. Kashmir was a Kashmiri Hindu state, Kashmiri Pandit state, and it was Vaishnavi state. It was not a non-vegetarian state, but now it has become a tradition, and we all are following that tradition now. Now it's a need, and now it is all around us, and it is up to us whether to eat it or whether to leave it. आप सबको याद होगा, हम mostly नवरात्रास में भी खाते थे. सोरम और पांचम तामत खेवान हम तब तक खाते थे. यहाँ पर कुछ लोगों ने या सारे लोगों ने वो नॉन वेजिटेरियन वगैरह नवरात्रास वगैरह में छोड़ा. It was around us. There are other communities also, they are not feeling good, but in Kashmiri community we have Gadbat, that it came from somewhere from our religion, so we are eating it. शिवरात्रि में भी हम, शिवरात्रि में कई सारी ट्रेडिशंस थे. ऐसे वटकस त्रावन, तो it is not so bad. We should not feel so bad that people are asking us whether we are okay, we are Brahmins but we are eating it. Many things, maybe there are some backgrounds behind
I'll
that.
actually tell you. I'll tell you. Rahul has just posted something about
that,
it.
but yeah, we should have some answer.
No, I'll tell you, because it is very important to go back into your history. When Kashmir was formed by Kashyap Rishi, Kashmiri लोग कहाँ से आए थे? जो हिमालयन बेल्ट थी ना, यदि आप प्रजनत publication के, I think it was in the first issue or the second issue. I'll try and see if I can scan that article and send you. Jo people who were brought in to set up the society in Kashmir when Kashyap Rishi created the Kashmir Valley. वो लोग कोई एक लोग नहीं थे. Nagas, Pishachas, you've actually just posted on the group. It'll be very useful to read that. So हमारी जो व्यवहार है, जो हमारा आचरण है, वो एक तरह का नहीं है. We are not one indigenous population. We are all brought in from different areas. We are settlers from around the Himalayan belt who came and settled in the valley. We were all very varied and different in our likes and dislikes, our eating habits, our way of being. We were all koi asur the, koi pishachas the, koi nagas the. So if you read about the origin of Kashmir and the session that we will hopefully do with Rushil, उसके अंदर आपको समझ में आएगा कि एक नहीं है, ये हाथी को देखने वाली बात है. हम अलग अलग जगह से देख रहे हैं, तो हाथी है. लेकिन हमारी जो if you go back into the root of Hindu Sanatan Dharma as well, that it does not prescribe a certain form of being. That is Islam for you. We accept and we accept everyone who is however they are. It can be a cannibal, it can be a meat eater, it can be whoever, and they're all people who form part of our way of living, of whoever's way of life, whatever it is. जानवर, इंसान, सब लोग एक coexistence में रहते हैं. Nature and humans have coexisted. And so if you go back into your root, Islamic invasion, Islamization of Kashmir happened much later. There was a pre-Islamic period of Kashmir that it will be very useful. Actually, in fact, Rushil ke saath mein we will actually talk about the pre-Islamic Kashmir because it's very important for all of us to know. So Mahara, I think we should definitely do that session sooner than later and talk about what is the actual history of Kashmir so that the people, lifestyle, lore, language, traditions, religion is a very recent entity again. It's a very recent concept. Hinduism, this ism business is a very recent phenomenon. I'm not an expert. I'm not a theologist. I'm not a dharmic scholar or anything, but I can definitely tell you because I've had multiple sessions where I've heard this bit about pre-Islamic Kashmir history. So I think rather than me responding to this, if you park your question for now, Vivek ji and Vimal ji, both of you and Rushil. So Rushil will arrange that session with Sushil ji. We'll get Sushil Pandit ji, or if we can get Dr. Toshkani, even better. I'm not sure whether he's able to, but we can try, and we should hear it from them and understand what the synthesis and the origin is. मैं तो imposter हूँ, मैं तो भी सीख ही रही हूँ, but some information Rahul ji has posted. Do read that. I think that seems like a relevant. I'll actually scan the essay and send it over as well, so you can read.
Yeah, I think Bhagavad Gita में भी reference दी है, तीनों भोजनों की है, सात्विक, तामसिक and राजसिक. They have not advised people what should take, but he has defined, if we take this bhojan, what will be impact on our body. So that's very clearly defined in, I think, 6th, 7th or 8th shloka, I think 16 or something. So that is my reference. I think we should conclude this. And Lakshmi ji,
I have one question. Sorry, I have Lakshmi, I'm Kuldeep here. So just last question. Last question. What's your advice to the parents to enforce them to learn the Kashmiri in their homes? Because I'm in Hyderabad for the last 10 years. What I have seen here, if you go to any school, international school or anything else, you see any Tamilian guy or Telugu guy, they will definitely love to learn first Telugu or Tamilian. They will not love to learn English. But as a Kashmiri, हम पहले हमारे को अंग्रेजी चाहिए या हिंदी चाहिए, फिर कश्मीरी अगर हुआ तो वो पेरेंट्स को किस तरीके से हम बोलें कि हमें कश्मीरी सीखनी चाहिए बस अपने बच्चों को?
देखिए, भाषा का सीखने का सबसे अच्छा तरीका तो उसका बोलचाल है. And I think तो बड़ा असल काम करान की तो बोलन. So by speaking the language you learn, and don't take it with a lot of pressure. Learning anything has to be fun. आपको स्कूल में भी बच्चों को जब सिखाते हैं कुछ, they make it enjoyable. Don't make it a burden. कश्मीरी भाषा सीखना एक वजन मत बनाइए. इतने सारे मुहावरे हैं, इतनी सारी मजे की बातें हैं. The comic that I think Laranya is going to make for us with Sachin, the session that Rushil will do, all the things. मैं project बना दी है मैंने आप लोगों के लिए, है ना, that this is what I do, and Sachin is familiar with this. And so have fun with it, involve the children with it. आप भाषा में बात करेंगे, अपने आप सीख जाएंगे. आप French अगर सीखना चाहें तो you want to converse in French with people who are French speakers. If you are speaking German, you'll speak with other people who are German speaking. आपने अगर थोड़ी सी मेरे को unfortunately मराठी सबकी थोड़ी आती है. जितनी कश्मीरी आती है उतनी मुझे मराठी आती है, उतनी मुझे बंगाली आती है, उतनी शायद अंग्रेजी भी आती है. तो थोड़ा करके when you're learning a new language or when you're learning your own heritage language, just speak in the language. उसकी फिल्में देखिए, उसके गाने सुनिए, explain the songs to the children, quiz बनाइए. My sister who doesn't even speak Kashmiri properly, उसने एक quiz बनाई family group में, because आजकल ये weekend पे सब family groups बहुत active होते हैं ना, तो उसने कश्मीरी quiz बनाई. उसमें मुहावरे वगैरह पूछे, words के मतलब पूछे. अच्छा 10 dishes के नाम बताओ कश्मीरी में, 10 songs गाओ or something. And it is so much fun. Make it fun. Make it है ना Rushil? That'll be better, ना, rather than making it boring. नहीं तो डांट लगा कि आज घर में सब कश्मीरी बोलेंगे तो मैं चुप हो जाती थी. जैसे ही ऐसा बोला जाता था मैं कभी कुछ नहीं बोलती थी. तो if you
sorry
जी Mara.
No, I was just telling Kuldeep to a question. We have a legend here who is the master of this whole language. किसको कैसे सीखनी है? What is it, not only writing, speaking, our language. कैसे पढ़ना भी सकता है, कोई लिख भी सकता है. We have Rana Sahab here, so he has so many projects he has done already. So I think he's the most, with due respect to,
मेवार सिर्फ आपको ये कि एज अ पेरेंट च वारिया प्राउड फील करन अंग्रेजी हेचुन हिंदी हेचुन विच प्राउड फील करन पानस मत के शेशाव कशर.
You गोत्सिन वानुन. इसको आप जितना आप बोलेंगे ना, you see, there is a concept in psychology जो वो बोलते हैं ना, positive reinforcement. आप अपने आप को अगर बोलेंगे कि मैं बहुत अच्छा हूँ, तो आप अपने आप को अच्छा मानने लगेंगे. यदि आप अपने आप को बोलेंगे कि हाँ मेरा आज दिन अच्छा होगा, तो आपका दिन अच्छा होगा. आपके घर में अगर एक पौधा है, उसको आप रोज गालियां दें, उसको रोज आप खराब बातें बोले, बेचारा पौधा भी मुरझा जाएगा. यदि आप अपने आप के साथ ऐसा कुछ बोल रहे हैं कि हम लोग तो अच्छा नहीं है, हम लोग वी आर नॉट प्राउड ऑफ इट, सो आप यू विल नॉट बी प्राउड ऑफ इट. सो डोंट से इट. 1 साल के लिए आप मुझे वादा करिए, 3 महीने के लिए चलिए, 1 साल तो बहुत लंबा टाइम है, 3 महीने के लिए एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हैं. आप ये बात बोलना नेगेटिव, कोई सी भी बात अपनी कम्युनिटी के बारे में, अपनी लैंग्वेज के बारे में मत बोलिए. इंस्टेड एवरी टाइम यू हैव दैट डाउट दैट वी आर नॉट गुड इनफ, प्लीज एक्ट ऑन इट एंड डू इट. इट्स वेरी सिंपल. तो वारिया असल बोलान मतलब कशर भाषा. महाराज जी is here, Rana Sahab is here. I would like to actually just hear from him briefly what his advice on language learning is. मुझे तो नहीं आता. I would also like to seek some nuggets. Please, Maharaj.
म्योन वनुन छु नमस्कार. म्योन वनुन छु आत्मा सिर्फ ये कि इसका पेरेंट्स इंटरेस्टेड आसन कि इसका हेकन बच्चे हेचित के. ये पेरेंट्स इंटरेस्टेड आसन तेली हेके बच्चे हेचित. आप बच्चे को बोल कर ये क्लास अटेंड क्या पेरेंट्स कर तीस क्लास पाने काम लागू ना उस क्लास से अच्छी बात है, तो उसे नहीं सीखेगा. ये क्लास गरस बोन गरस मास लूक पानवई कोशर करन तेल हेके बच्चे बोस मन तुमति वराय ओस मन वना ओछन बच्चस पुस में शेमिस ग्रामर हेचनावान हिंदी ग्रामर या इंग्लिश ग्रामर. अगर तो पता कह बच्चे हिंदी बोलान लकुड़ बच्चे हिंदी बोलान कोशर सह ग्रामर करेक्ट बोलान, उससे एक भी गलती ग्रामर में नहीं होती है. क्या पिकअप आसान कोर्मुत तमिस ग्रामर कौन हेचनावान. तुम करो 3 बच्चस पे टेस्ट, अगर सह हिंदी बोलान इंग्लिश बोलान ग्रामर तमिस बराबर गसान. क्या सह हेचन मलिस मज या आसान. अगर ना असी करो बच्चे कित पे हेचे बच्चस पढ़ते हेचान क्या. दिस इज वन थिंग. नंबर 2 तुंदिस अकिस चीज पॉइंटस ब्रोट पकना शामुक बत रात बत या डिनर वन डिनर कर सारे कोशिश कि डिनर खमो फैमिली इकवटे. यम साथ डिनर इकवटे खरो तम साथ न करो ऑफिस कत न करो बिजनेस कत आ करो अस घरिच कत बे करो कोशिश जबान में कोशिश कत करें ताकि इंसान बच्चे एक्टिव बहन तो उनके हेचन। तो मेरे ख्याल में जब तक पेरेंट्स इंटर नहीं हो बाकी तरीके वारिया हेचन बहुत क्लासेस त करान बहुत ऑनलाइन त क्लासेस करान ऑनलाइन वराय फिजिकली क्लासेस करान हेचान वारिया मगर यूता जन इंटरेस्ट पेरेंटन आसन गछ तूत छुन के आई टेल यू
नहीं हमारा बिल्कुल एग्री
हमारा 15 वरी याद पड़ 15 वरी लैंग्वेज पर काम कर मेरा नाम कोई नहीं जानता आप भी नहीं जानते तुझे अमीक की लूकन थी न कोशिश से इंटरेस्ट है दिस इज अ प्रूफ नो नाव ही जाने का
हमारा वारिया चीज पता इट्स व्हाई इट्स आवर
पहचाना जाता है the amount of work you have done for the community. It's
Rana ji,
which is general cost karan, which is general. Punsuvari project zanas but काम karan. How many people know about project zan? Nobody knows, unless I come in contact with somebody and tell him.
Yeah, Rana ji,
Kuldeep ji, we have a legend here. So these things which are close to the literature, we have a legend here.
Rana ji, this is Sanjay. I totally agree with what you just said. Right now, right from parents, it needs to start with. But other factor which we need to admit is demographic factor. Out of 24 hours, around 18 hours or maybe around 12 hours or 15 hours, we are with non-speaking Kashmiri people for a majority of time. That sometimes used to be an influencing factor, which I have seen.
Bilkul.
Actually, I want to show your experience. till my 11th 10th 11th क्लास मैं उसने कोशिश बिल्कुल थगान अगर गरसमंस में मदर मैं पापा मतलब मदरस में ज्यादा कोशिश कत करा तो ये तो मैं कहीं कॉमर्स बनान कशे पढ़ास बनान में ये करते वो करते मतलब मैं मतलब I was able to understand. So in that way also we can teach, I mean we can tell our kids to do certain task activities and tell that in Kashmiri only and we can talk also.
Yeah, I think Laranya, आई थिंक आप रैना अंकल के साथ मिलके सचिन आपको डिजाइन करके देगा आपके पास तो सब कुछ यही है फिर मुझे भी सिखा देना
मैडम एक बार मैडम आपका तो बे वने प्लीज गिव मी 2 मिनट्स आपका तो उसमें बे वने टू टेल यू फ्रैंकली मतलब कोई आपको बोलेगा कि राणा साहब क्या छु करन मिशन पानस पता भी क्या छु करन लेकिन 25 साल से मैं यू नो कि जितना भी कश्मीरी लिटरेचर है सो चाहे मुसलमानों छु लिखमत या बाटाओ छु लिखमत इट इज इन पर्शियन कश्मीरी इट इज रिटन इन पर्शियन कश्मीरी क्या पर्शियन लेखान पर्शियन से सिचुएशन इंटरेस्ट बे JNK एकेडमी ऑफ आर्ट से सिर्फ पर्शियन में लिखने से पोस्ट दिवान बिकॉज़ देवनागरी कश्मीरी इज नाइदर रिकॉग्नाइज्ड बाय स्टेट नॉर रिकॉग्नाइज्ड बाय गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया। तो मैडम मैं 25 साल से जितना भी लिटरेचर पर्शियन कश्मीरी में लिखा हुआ है उसको देवनागरी में लिखता हूँ।
अच्छा,
नॉट माई बुक्स मेरा काम अलग है। यूजर लूकमुच जो बड़े जो अभी तक जबरदस्त लिटरेचर लिखा हुआ है आपके रिडल्स हैं, आपके प्रोवर्ब्स हैं, आपकी लोक कथाएं हैं, आपके लोकगीत हैं, वो सब मैं 25 साल से देवनागरी में लिख रहा हूँ। देवनागरी कश्मीरी फॉर कश्मीरी पंडित ब्रदरन। अब कितने पढ़ते हैं और कितने नहीं पढ़ते आई डोंट नो। यू कैन गो टू माय साइट mkraina.com और देखें मेरा काम 25 साल में कितना करा है।
जी महाराज।
मतलब डू पीपल नो कि ये हमारे सामने पढ़ा हुआ है लिटरेचर और हम पढ़ लें।
बट ये हर किसी को पता भी नहीं होता अनफॉर्चुनेटली। हर किसी को सब कुछ पता भी नहीं होता। इट्स ओनली लाइक आई सेड इफ यू आस्क रेलेवेंट क्वेश्चंस आप this group is very fortunate कि आप इनके साथ में हैं, so you know they have your company actively, they are in the same vicinity as you and it's a blessing for all of us that we have people like you who have spent a lot of time doing this. तो जो बच्चे हैं उनके लिए तो अगर हिंदी पढ़ना जानते हैं, देवनागरी पढ़ना जानते हैं तो that is a very beneficial thing. I'll definitely go and visit your website, Mara. I'm sorry that I'm not an expert in anything. I call myself an imposter. So मुझे तो बहुत सारी चीजें मालूम नहीं है। मुझे तो अपने खुद के बारे में मालूम नहीं। तो I'm only trying to learn.
मुझे आपके लिए मौका मिला।
थोड़ा interrupt कि as गई already zigant तो probably I think we must conclude it. So we had a great session. Thanks, Rana Saab. Thanks, Lakshmi ji. And probably we should conclude it now. If everybody agrees, because it's pursuing apni family, so that this is this good time. We had a good time. Thank you.
Thank you, Lakshmi ji. Thank you,
Thank you, Mara. It has been a pleasure, and it's a
Thank you,
privilege to meet
Thank
you
you.
all.
All the
Thank you.
best.
Thank you.
Lakshmi ji,
Thank you,
namaskar.
Mara.
Thank you very much.
Namaskar, Mara. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good night.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Namaskar.